if you're experiencing a verification pending status on Kavyar, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any emails from Kavyar regarding your verification status. Sometimes additional information or actions are required from your side. Step 2. Review your submission. Log into your Kavyar account and review the details you submitted for verification. Make sure all information is accurate and complete, including your profile details and any required documents. Step 3. Resubmit documents. If you find any discrepancies or missing documents, gather the necessary files and resubmit them through the Kavyar platform. Ensure that the documents meet the specified requirements. Step 4. Contact support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROB to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Verification processes can take some time, but you should receive confirmation once your status has been updated. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Kavyar efficiently. If problems persist, continue to communicate with support for further guidance.